guys, so naamiron sa balay nilang Mayan and Josh. Pero di may makakolab, gigachika pa sila diri sa plane. So atong tanawon ang mga plants ni Mayan.
Where are you?
So ubay-ubay gud yung mga tanom ni Mayan, no? So makasuya siya. Daghan kay dagko og mga mahalon pero ang uban giharvest ta rin nila. Meet Mayan.
Ay, hala na mo na.
Or sa tayo mong channel?
May as devotion. Kuha na to.
Dili mo to i-continue.
Ang may lang kato lang MFM ako kuha food review.
My Food Mercado or MFM.
My food mercado.
Na sila YouTube channel po. Na di ba na My Food Mercado na My Food Mercado. So these are all the plants that they have. Mag-tour ta. Oh, di ba? And napuguganan i-collab diri si Coco, but busy pa siya ron, so kailangan mo i-sked ang kuan. Hey Coco, what's your YouTube channel?
Let's go, Coco.
So, what's your topic? What's your niche there? What are you talking about in your videos?
Like, I do reviews, build stuff,
What do you build?
like Lego things, and my dad just posts videos from me from the past.
Oh, okay. So, what do you plan to vlog in the future?
Gaming.
Gaming?
Gaming Goldman.
So, you want to collab with me regarding guns, right?
Huh?
Regarding guns, we're gonna talk about snipers.
Sniper rifles, like a couple guns.
Yeah, so we will be talking about guns soon, pero amo pa na.
Also shoot moving targets.
Moving targets?
Yeah, moving.
Have you tried? No, you
I
haven't.
shot a lot of moving targets.
Only in the computer?
Targets which shot going like down, like that fast and like that fast. I shot targets
So
like
you should
that.
try firing once you're 18.
18.
Real guns.
Like with moving targets.
I think there is, yeah.
Poppers first.
Huh?
Mommy is a sharpshooter.
So, oh, Alpha Dry. Alpha. Huwag ganahan ko mo try balik rifles na dinagko na ba?
Walang pistols.
Pistol. Oh, I've tried in nice sa Bacolod. Bacolod nagka-try kasi Bacolod. Katong open area nila. Ang score kapon. Field score?
Kay Kola. Oh, field score.
Field score.
Oh, pero dugay na kayo. Last na kong firing, murag ano naka-firing kay ko din si
Ang
Bu.
score.
Pero ang duwa na competition yun first year college.
Nagsusuway kag duwa.
Ayun last.
Sana all. Pero nice gid kay ilang ring light. Di ganahan ko sa inyong ring light. Oh, nindot ka siyang effect. Pila na sa Shopee na.
Dahil sa sa Shopee one something.
Ay, mahal. Katong gihimo ni Ki. Wala duha day oh. Same ra na.
The first.
Yeah, same ra.
So ang gihimo ni Kid ginapundir na ket mangita pa ko atong akari na bumbilya. So moto siya guys.
Ring na ano.
Nahipos na amo ang budol. So they prepared budol for us.
Picture na lang.
Oh,
Flash here.
I'll be showing it here. So
Annihilate.
after 6 months of being in quarantine, May really helped us a lot regarding, especially sa among wellness, sa among mental and spiritual health. So, blessed kami. We have Mayan and the other ladies who already went home. Shout out day kang Molin, and Girly, and Shan. And Aline, who's not here, pero pohon-pohon, tapok niya, ta.
Yes.
So, more to guys.
Family, ano.
Gathering.
Kids are also,
Kids are gathering there too. And ay ganahan mo daddy house kay wala daw this kid, nakaapas gid si kid og gahat.
Yes sila.
Ta nagtapok na gid silang tulo. Ganina alas si Magdo.
Ano dyan daw mga bata. So, gagawin ka pa nangyari.
So excited ko na mag nature laag.
Yeah.
So busy man si Josh. Josh Carey. Oh, Josh Carey man imong YouTube no. Suroy Tabay. Si Suroy Tabay. Oh, they're talking about tattoos. Kiddy, don't bite. Don't bite the chair. Say bye. Dili siya mobile. Guys, ako na lang mobile ninyo guys. This is just a short vlog. Thank you so much for dropping by. Don't forget to leave a like, ask questions in the comments, and also subscribe to show your support. My Food Mercado, MFM. They also have a YouTube and a Facebook page. And Suroy Tabay is there busy. So please to support. Bye!
Bye.